It's not as funny as when you let your hand on fire.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I must be fucking missing something here. This is fucking retarded. It does say lift to fill right here, right? So I don't understand. Am I fucking stupid? Gotta be.
Please open the car door before you light that. Don't stick on your face.
I have to smell it.
Why do you always gotta smell everything?
I don't know.
I'm dead serious. Please open the door. So if there's a mass explosion, you can go across the parking lot.
You ready? Go for round 2. Fire in the hole. What the fuck, dude? It's not even lighting in the right place. Why am I not smart enough to light my fucking Zippo?
How much did you pay for it?
$5. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to happen. Just a thought.
We've been here 5 minutes playing with it.
Shut up. Am I supposed to like take this off? You think you're fucking funny, don't you? Yeah, that's hot. It's almost like it was like fire or something. I don't understand. You know what? I really think I'm supposed to take this off. I have a sneaking suspicion that little screw cap's supposed to come off. Hand me a penny.
No, it's not.
I'm telling you.
No, it's not. It's not supposed to come off.
I'm telling you. How the fuck else is it supposed to work? I've tried everything else.
It's not. It's lighting, John. It's just not lighting in the right spot.
I know, because it's burning everything that's not supposed to burn. Oh my fucking god, really?
You do realize what that's for, so you can light it. That's what that screw's for. It was not to...
Well, you know what? Now I can take this off. Out completely and see what's going on. Watch.
That's what's going on. You just stuck your finger... Stick each and every finger in there so when you light it, your hand catches on fire again.
I'm confused. Am I just supposed to like saturate this shit? I'm really thinking that's what I'm supposed to do.
Didn't they come with directions?
Yeah, I'm not doing that. this doesn't work this time, I'm waiting until your mom gets home. Yeah, that's so fucking cold right now. It just fucking throws the fucking skin off me. Ow. Ow.
This is now almost 10 minutes into the Zippo lighter, by the way.
Fuck you.
I'm just saying.
I don't want to hear it. You think you're funny, but you're fucking not.
You are hilarious. Now make sure you just light that right now in the car without any you know.
Fire in the hole. I give the fuck up. I'm using a regular lighter. I'm smoking a cigarette and I'm driving home.
Are you sure?
Yep. Fuck you, Ricky. I'm not even impressed right now.
I love you.
I love you too, but you're a cocksucker. Now that I just wasted half a tank of gas because I was sitting idling, fucking...
I love you.
I love you too. Are you done video?